Are you a guy that works a lot? You in construction, public safety, trades union, promoter, music artist, athlete? Your professional job requires heavy, intensive work, and you do a lot for everybody else, and you come home with aching muscles, your feet hurt, and you're tired. Well, I have a service for you. It's called the MVP. Why? Because the most valuable person is you. When you are cared for and you are relaxed and well relieved, you can help take care of everybody else. It starts off with a great quality shampoo, hot towel to relax you, great quality haircut, razor line enhancements, and a 2-minute shoulder and neck treatment. Book you an MVP online right now at www.stylistjohn.com. 314-359-5499. I can get you fly, or click the link below. If you refer a friend and you write your name on the card that I give you and they come in, you get an upgrade to an MVP service. A free upgrade to an MVP service. Every man in the world should experience the MVP treatment. Why? Because the most valuable person is you.